Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So today I'm going to discuss about what is the basic difference between section 161 of the CRPC and section 164 of the CRPC. So before starting the topic, I would request everyone to please subscribe the channel and also press the bell button to get the latest notification from the channel. So coming back to the topic, we were discussing about the difference between section 161 and section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So section 161 is a provision where the police official who is investigating any offense or any FIR has power to get acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the offense. He can examine the witnesses. He has also right to write down the statement given by the witnesses during the course of investigation. However, these statements cannot be presented before the court as these statements do not have the evidential value. On the other hand, during the course of investigation, if the police official came across any witness or accused who is giving any valuable information about the court, then he can produce it before the magistrate and the magistrate can note down his statement or confession under section 164. However, before writing down the confession or statement of the witness or the accused, it is the duty of the magistrate to inform the accused and to know whether he is under any kind of influence or he voluntarily wants to make the statement or confession, because nobody can be compelled to witness against himself. It is a fundamental right. So it is the duty of the magistrate to inquire whether the witness has voluntarily turned for the confession or the statement, and after getting a satisfactory answer, he also informs the witness that such a statement can be used against him in the court of law. And after getting a satisfactory reply, he notes down the statement. Now the basic difference between 61 and 164 is here the police examines the witness. Here the term examine. However, in section 164 it is a statement and confession. The examination of witness cannot be, don't have any evidential value. However, the statement and confession before the magistrate has the evidential value. Under section 161, the police, if any witness is examined by the police notes down the statement made by him in the police diary. However, as per law, the witness or the accused need not sign on the statement. However, if a statement is given before the magistrate, as per law, he is bound to sign it before magistrate. Under section 161, a person cannot give any statement where he feels that he can be framed or charged. However, under section 164, if the witness or the accused voluntarily turns to make a confession before the magistrate, it can be noted down. So this is the another difference. In the court of law, any statement given before the police by the witness under section 161 don't have any evidential value. But if any statement voluntarily given by the accused or the convict or any witness has the evidential value. So these are the basic difference between section 161 and section 164. So if you like this video, please like it. Also let me know with your views and comment, and also share the video with your friends and colleagues, and please subscribe the channel. I will be coming again with another video. So till then, take care. Namaskar.